back to the channel. Hope everyone's having an amazing day. Today we have like 6 locations to hit up. It's a late start in the day. It's already almost 11, but I don't have to go to Sam's. I still have a tower of products. Literally. Alright, some lady also wants to buy this thing for $10 on OfferUp. So while I'm gone, I'm going to leave this on the front porch, and hopefully when I get back, there's $10 under the rug. Alright, so the car's loaded up, and we're headed to our first location. It is 11:20. Really late start to the day, like I said earlier, but we're going to hit up some locations and make some money, and everything's going to be good. Also, it's like 44 degrees in Texas right now, and it's like windy, so it's like pretty chilly. It feels like really good. Just thought I'd throw that in there. I just got to location number 1. So this is a 2-week collection, and we'll see how it does. Alright, so I just stopped at the first location. It did pretty good, I think, from just the looks of the stack of cash. It was a 2-week collection, probably maybe $40 or $50. I'll show you guys, of course, at the end of the video. I'm on my way to my second location now. This one is also a 2-week collection. So hopefully there's not a lot of people in there so I can film. Alright, just left location number 2. Again, sorry I couldn't film in there. Hopefully I can film in this next one. But that was also a 2-week collection, and it did pretty good. When I stop, I'll show you guys the money. Alright, so just went to the 3rd location, and this is today's total so far. Just kind of a glimpse inside the bags. Nothing crazy, but money's money. And we still got 3 more locations to go to, and it's already 1:20. I think we can make it. One of them's kind of far, so yeah, hopefully we can make it in time. Alright, I just pulled up to my last location of the day. It is 2:31, so I'm making good time. And I might possibly swing by another school that I think the bill acceptor might be jammed, or it might need a new bill acceptor. So I'll have to figure that out, deal with that. But yeah, this is a 1-week collection on this school. Let's see how it does. Alright, so location number 1 did $39.50, and that was a 2-week collection. Alright, location number 2 did $49 even, and that was after 2 weeks. Location number 3 did $43.60 after 1 week. Location number 4 did $27.25 after 1 week. Location number 5 did $32.35 after 1 week. Alright, the last location, location number 6, did $89.
$85.50.
God dang it. Alright, the last location, location number 6, did $85.50 after 1 week. So right here is the grand total. We made $277.20. Looks pretty good. Adds up. So yeah, that was after 6 locations today. If we divide that by 6 to find the average, about $46 a location today. It's alright. I'd like to average like 50, but it's pretty close. We'll round up. So yeah, that's it for this video, and stay tuned for another fire collection. And also look at my girlfriend's makeup. It looks amazing.